What's going on? So today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to lay out a drop ceiling. Alright, come with me, let's go. Okay, so this is going to represent our drop ceiling. Now, for the quickest, easiest way to lay out a drop ceiling, which is the correct way, is what you're going to want to do is, this is a 2x2 ceiling, so everything's in 2-foot increments. The full one. So this is going to be 1, 2. That's 4 foot right there. So put a little 4 for these two. That's 4 foot. So what you're going to do is take your tape measure on your wall, whether it's the ground or the top where you're doing your ceiling above your wall angle, and you're going to pull from one side. Doesn't matter which side. Let's say this side of the wall. Now we're going to pull over until we get 4 foot. Now let's say it goes past, say it stops right here. Then you're going to take your tape measure and put it on the opposite side of the wall. And you're going to make a mark where your 4 foot is on the ground, or if it's up on the wall on the ceiling. And then you're going to pull back the opposite way. So let's say it's 46 inches. So what you're going to do then is divide that by 2. And then that's going to be your borders for each side, which is 46 divided by 2 is 23. So you got a 23-inch border here and a 23-inch border here. Alright. I don't know if you can see that. So some people, what they'll do is go center, find center, wall to wall, make a mark, and then go that way. But you don't want to do that. That's time consuming, and sometimes that gets confusing. So now we're going to run it the other way. We'll count full tiles. So you got 1, 2, 3 full tiles, and that's going to be 6 foot. You got 6 foot. So whichever end again you want to pull, we'll pull from here all the way down. Let's say it stops right here. So then we're going to do the exact same thing like we did up here. Pull the opposite side of the wall back. Now let's say we get 40 inches. 40 inches. And then you're going to divide that by 2. That's as long as these two borders on each side look identical. Divide that by 2, you'll have 20. So that's a 20-inch border and a 20-inch border. Okay? So most cases you have equal borders, and then that's the easiest way to lay out. And then when you want to go on from there to figure out where you want your mains to go, which are every 4 foot, usually you want to run them long ways. You would have a main here and a main here. So then you'll have a 23-inch border, a main, your 4 foot tees, another main, and then another 23-inch border. Alright. And that concludes the easiest way to do a drop ceiling for layout.